Take a ride in the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, navigation system, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, heated rear seats, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.